Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve DLL file is missing error in Windows computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. If you have any DLL file missing error in your computer, let's fix that issue guys. Anything having message error message like anything like DLL missing error found, anything found like that, go ahead to and search in any browser. Go ahead and open up the any browser and search here DLL files. Just need to open the dllfiles.com. Open it. In here, whatever DLL file is missing error in your computer is getting, you just need to note it up and type in here guys and search here whatever error message you get it. For example, I'm doing is for ws this DLL file folder. Just for example, I'm doing this. Whatever error you getting message, you just need to search here guys. After that, here search result for WSCSVAC DLL. You need to click on your file name and click here guys. Click on the file name and whatever latest version you have it, you just need to download it guys. This is the latest version top here. You just need to download. Click on download and wait for it guys. After getting downloaded, you need to drag and drop it to a folder guys. Folders, I show you guys how to do that. Wait for it. And after finishing this download, go to file folder and go to downloads. In here we downloaded WSC SVC. If you are downloaded anything, you just need to open it. And here is a file folder guys, DLL file. You just need to drag this folder to desktop. After dragging and drop in desktop, you need to go to this PC and you just need to go to Windows folder in this PC guys. Windows local disk, you just need to go in, and after that go to Windows. In here you need to search for system32 sys system32. You just need to double click on it, and in here you need to drag and drop this folder guys. Move this folder and replace the file in the destination. Click on it and click continue guys. And after that, you just need to, you should good to go guys. I am getting this error. I am having not a problem. For example, I'm showing how to do that. That's why I'm getting that error. Go back to Windows and you need to search here sys wow34. You just need to open it guys, this folder also, and drag and drop again this to this folder and replace the file destination. Click on it and click continue, and now you get it's replaced the folder guys. For the close out of here, and now you just need to restart your PC for done. Go ahead and restart your PC. You just need to do this like whatever error you found in your computer. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Now you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. Thank you.